We will go with a free software, Circuit Lab, free online software, Circuit Lab. Okay, in Google, if you type Circuit Lab, and here launch a Circuit Lab, a new workspace will come for drawing the diagram. Okay, so sketch starting, it is just working on. So now you can erase this and start drawing here, select and delete. And here you have resistor, okay, drag and drop resistor. So same thing, if you go with file new also, it will come. A similar workspace will be available. You can just select it and drag it onto the workspace. Paste. Okay, you can search and select it. And then Control C, Control V is working. Okay, Control C, Control V. So it is working. Three resistors I am using. Then you go with voltage source, DC voltage source we want. Drag it onto the workspace. Okay. Then DC current source we want. Current source. DC current source. We want this. Double click and then drag it onto the workspace. So this is about our circuit. Control R. So you can, it is in selection. Edit, rotate clockwise. Then edit, rotate clockwise. Okay. So now this one, rotate clockwise. This also edit, rotate clockwise. So you can just put them appropriately and now do the connections. This is our circuit diagram. I will show you the circuit also. So here I will search for a wire. I will do the connections with the help of wire. Whenever there is change of direction, give a click and then change the direction. Give a click, release the left mouse and change direction. Okay. So next what I have, if I connect directly, maybe values will be displayed. So this is the diagram I am trying to draw. This is the diagram, superposition theorem I am trying to draw. 20 volts on the left side, right side 5 amperes, 5, 10, 3 are the values. Okay. So this is double click, you give 20 volts. Then double click, give 5 amperes. In the value only you have to give, not name. So give 5 amperes. Okay. So this double click and give the value 5 ohms. This one double click and give it 10 ohms. And last one double click and give 3 ohms. 3 ohms. These are the values in the circuit diagram. You can see this diagram I am trying to draw. 5, 10, 3 are the resistor values. Left side 20 volt, right side 5 amperes. These are the elements in the circuit. Okay. So now I will go with ground connection. Double click and take it, connect on the bottom. Okay. So now give run DC simulation and then DC sweep, start time 0, end time 1 second, step 0.1. Just I'm giving as a like. You just try all this. So here these are different types of display what we want. Okay, so DC sweep is enough. DC operating point 0.01. If you put ammeter, if you simulate this, components, if I put, if any ammeter is there, double click and drag it onto the workspace. Okay, this is ammeter. If I remove the wire and connect the ammeter here, it will give the display also. So if required, you have to register and do it. Okay. So if you click on simulate that run button, it will simulate and give the value in the ammeter. So like that you can carry out in the circuit lab free software.